Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're doing a Christmas wreath making tutorial. So everything that we have here will be included in our DIY Christmas wreath kit. So it'll come with a package, coconut fronds, so this would be the size that you need to make a Christmas wreath. It'll come with one of our tags to attach to your Christmas wreath. You'll get a choice of either a gold bow or a red bow to add onto your Christmas wreath once it's done. And then we're also including one of these Christmas decorations, so you'll either get a silver one, a gold one, or a red one. And then you will get a piece of string, so the string will be used to attach the two ends together once we start weaving. And then it'll also come with a silver and white string to attach to your wreath to hang up once you're done. So the only thing that you will need to complete your Christmas wreath is a pair of scissors, so we have one today. Other than that, we are going to get right into it. Our Christmas wreaths are available on Kealohi.com, so you can purchase them, follow the kit, and follow this video. And yeah, we're going to get right into it. So you're going to take your frond out of the package. When you receive it, just make sure that you wash it with fresh water. And it will be like this. So you're gonna match your two ends together. You're gonna match, oh wait, shoot. I forgot to create the notches. I'm creating these two little notches so that way we can tie the ends together. But you should already have your notches created for you once your kit comes in. We'll pre-notch these fronds, that way you don't have to do it. So bam. Okay, so your two notches should match up just like that. You're gonna take the string from the kit. So you're gonna take your string, you're gonna fold it in half one time so the two ends will come together and you'll have a loop on the other end. You're gonna fold it in half one more time. So you should be folding this string into fourths. So you'll have a loop on one end and then the other end will be open-ended. So you'll use this string, match your two ends together, and use this string to tie the ends together. So I just wrap 1, 2, 3, 4, at least 5 times into the outer notch. Just make sure to pull tight as you're wrapping. You'll switch it over to the inner notch and wrap another 5 times to make sure that everything is secure. And just make sure to pull tight as you're wrapping, that way it'll stay in place. And then with the two ends, you'll just tie them together, just like that, and double knot it. If you have any excess, you can just cut it right off. So it should look something like this. So you'll already have your two notches created. You'll just wrap your string 5 times in the outer notch, 5 times in the inner notch, and tie it, double knot it right at the top and trim off the excess. So once you're done, it should be something like this. Okay, so now that you have your two ends tied together, we're gonna get right into the weaving part. So you wanna pay attention to the direction that your leaves are pointing. So mine are all pointing this way. So they're probably pointing counterclockwise. So you want to always weave this way. So you can start anywhere, but I'm gonna start here. You're gonna take a frond and you're gonna bend it like this L. You wanna make sure that this yellow spine is always facing outwards and that these fronds are always folded in half. So you're gonna take one, you're gonna bend it like an L, yellow spine facing outwards. You're always gonna go under the first one. So under, over, under, over, under, over, under. You're pretty much gonna do under over 7 different times. So that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After number 7, it should be an under. You're gonna push it into this little crevice and then just tuck it right into your circle. So it should look something like this. So you're gonna keep working your way. Your next one is gonna be the one that we wove into, not the one on the outside. So it'll be the one that you wove into will be your next one. Same exact pattern, you'll take it, bend it like this backwards L. This yellow spine should always be facing outwards, and you're always gonna go under the first one. So it'll be under number 1, over number 2, under number 3, over number 4, under number 5, over number 6, and under number 7. So you're gonna keep continuing this pattern one by one until you go around full circle. So same exact pattern, you'll take it, bend it like an L, yellow spine out, always under the first one, over the second, under the third, over the fourth, under the fifth, over the sixth, and under the seventh. So it should start to look something like this. So once you get to this end part and you don't have 7 straight standing fronds, you're gonna end up using these pieces that we wove at the beginning. Just imagine they're long, tall standing fronds, and you're just gonna keep going. So same thing, under number 1, over number 2, under number 3, over number 4, under number 5, over number 6, and it'll be under this guy, number 7. So we're pretty much just gonna weave right into this part and finish the circle. Okay, so that was the last frond. Every single frond that was sticking out is now woven in. So it should look something like this. All your fronds should be standing up. So next step, you're gonna have the frond, the side that has all these fronds sticking up. This is the side that's gonna be facing up. You're just gonna work your way one by one. I just hold close to the bottom, that way it doesn't rip, and then one thumb on the inside, and you're just gonna pull. So your main Your main goal for this step is to pretty much close all these little gaps that you see in your wreath. I normally go around about 5 times or so and slowly just work on inching these fronds in so that way you don't have any pukas in your wreaths. If your wreath starts to bowl up this way, I just flip it over. And you're just going to start to press down on it just so that it flattens. So your wreath from the top should look something like this. There's no real big holes in your brim and it's pretty flat. If this inner part starts to lose its circular shape, you can kind of help it a little bit and just kind of shape it into a circle. So it should look something like this. So for the next step, we're gonna have to weave all these guys back into each other. So you're gonna take your scissors, you're gonna trim off just a couple inches off the ends. They should be about, I would say 6 inches long. So just take your scissors, trim all the extra long pieces. They should be about 6 inches roughly. It doesn't need to be even. So just take your scissors and trim off the extra. Okay, so now we're gonna take each frond one by one and you're gonna weave them back into each other. So if you look closely, this exact frond is this piece right here. So we're just gonna turn it back right into each other, go underneath one, underneath two, and just kind of pull it through. So you're gonna go one by one, just weave it back under into each other. So this frond is this piece right here. So we're gonna turn it around and just go under one and under two. This part should be the easiest part. Just tuck and tuck number two. Okay, so you'll go in, I just tighten it, just fix it, just make sure everything is pretty flat, make sure everything is tight. So this should be the top of your wreath, and then the bottom that we tucked, the part that we tucked should be the bottom. So you can either leave all of these little guys sticking out, but for this one we'll trim them. So I just trim them close to the end, maybe about 1 inch away from that second tuck that you did. So your wreath should look something like this. So if you purchase a kit, it will come with either a red or gold bow to add onto your wreath. For this one, we'll use the gold one. This part, you can get creative, you can put it wherever you want. But for this one, we'll add it right here to the top. And then your kit will come with one of these. So you'll get to choose between a gold, a red, or a silver one. I think for this one we'll use the gold. We'll just match it. This part you can get creative, you can decorate however you want, you can add in your own pieces that you have. And then it will also come with one of these strings. This string is just used to tie to the top, that way you have somewhere to hang it. So we'll just do something like this. Wreath will also come with a tag, and we'll just add it this way. And there you have it. And this is the final product. Hopefully yours came out and looks something similar to this guy. But feel free to add your own decorations, create your own decorations. If you end up making a wreath, don't forget to tag us on Instagram. Our Instagram is Coco, Kealohi. We'll add everything in the description box below. Otherwise, we will see you guys in the next video. Bye!